problems in chemical equilibrium. The question is, hydrogen is produced industrially by the steam hydrocarbon reforming process as given by methane reacts with water to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen. If Kc is 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 at 1000 Kelvin, what is the value of Kp at the same temperature? So in the problem, Kc value is given. Kc is equal to 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Temperature also given. Temperature is equal to 1000 Kelvin. We have to find Kp value at the same temperature. We can relate Kp and Kc by the expression Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta N. In this expression, Kc value is given. Temperature is given. R is gas constant. So we have to find only delta N. Delta N is the sum of the coefficient of the gaseous product minus the sum of the coefficient of the gaseous reactants. So in the reaction, when we see 1 mole of carbon monoxide and 3 moles of hydrogen are formed. So the total number of moles of product is 4. One mole of water and 1 mole of methane are reactant. So the total number of moles of reactant is 2. So the total number of moles of the reactants is 2. Delta N is equal to number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. So delta N is equal to 4 minus 2. This gives 2. Now we can substitute the values of Kc, gas constant, temperature in this expression. Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta N. So I am going to substitute here. Kp is equal to 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then the gas constant value in liter atmosphere mole Kelvin inverse is 0.0821. And for temperature 1000 to the power 2. Right, this gives the value 25.61. Let us solve this problem. In the industrial synthesis of hydrogen mixtures of carbon monoxide and hydrogen are enriched in hydrogen by allowing the carbon monoxide to react with steam. The chemical equation for this water gas shift reaction is carbon monoxide reacts with water vapor to form carbon dioxide and water. If at 200 degrees Celsius, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 0.2 atmosphere, the partial pressure of hydrogen is 0.1 atmosphere, partial pressure of carbon monoxide is 2 atmosphere, and partial pressure of water is 0.01 atmosphere. Calculate Kc. In this reaction, both reactants and products are in gaseous state. If gaseous species involving in the reaction, the concentration of each species will be directly proportional to its partial pressure. The equilibrium constant Kp is equal to the partial pressure of product divided by partial pressure of reactants, and the partial pressure are raised with some power which is equal to the coefficient of the substance in balanced equation. So in the problem, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, partial pressure of hydrogen, partial pressure of carbon monoxide, partial pressure of water are given. So we know Kp is equal to partial pressure of product divided by partial pressure of reactant. So I am writing Kp is equal to partial pressure of carbon dioxide into partial pressure of hydrogen divided by partial pressure of carbon monoxide into partial pressure of water. In this reaction, carbon dioxide and hydrogen are products, carbon monoxide and water are reactants. Now we substitute the values in this expression. Kp is equal to 0.2 into 0.1 divided by 2 into 0.01. This gives 1. Kp is equal to 1. Now we find delta N. Delta N is the difference in the number of moles of gas between reactants and products. In this reaction, right, 1 mole of carbon monoxide and 1 mole of water reacted. So the total number of moles of reactant is 2. Total number of moles of the reactant is equal to 2. 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 1 mole of hydrogen produced. So the total number of moles of product is 2. Total number of moles of products is 2. So delta N is equal to 2 minus 2. This gives 0. Kp/Kc related by the expression Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta n. Here delta n is 0. So I am substituting here in the expression Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power 0. We know anything to the power 0 is 1. So we have Kp is equal to Kc. Already know we have calculated the value for Kp, which is equal to 1. So Kc also equal to 1. I hope this helps you to solve the advanced problems in chemical equilibrium. Thank you.